fact: dogs can skip. They can also strut their stuff on beams. Oh, and balance on massive balls. But before you think we've gone barking mad, there's a serious point to the Wow Wow Dog Circus in Japan. The troupe of unwanted dogs are touring schools to teach youngsters about how to be a responsible pet owner. Students from Tachikawa City in western Tokyo couldn't get enough of the performing pooches. With 100,000 dogs being abandoned and destroyed in Japan every year, it's hoped acting the clown could help to improve conditions for man's best friend.